wild. Welcome to Winged Encounters.
Hello everybody out there in Discovery Island. I'm sure you've noticed that we've been joined by some of our feathered stars here at Winged Encounters. So if you're just passing by, this is the perfect time to stop over to our pop-up show and see these wonderful birds in action. You're going to notice we have these perches out here as well. They are not barriers. Some of the best spots to be are either right here in front of us here at the roots of the tree of life, or between where the perching is out here, because we're going to see Lilo and Callie like basically fly over the tops of your head. So you are welcome to get closer, take a closer look if you would like to even get up here as well, because eventually these birds hopefully will make their way over to me after we My name is Lizzie, and I'm joined with my fellow avian creators on their team. We have Kayla and Kayla. And it looks like Lilo and Callie are on your birthdays right now. Now, if you know what kind of birds they are, go ahead and shout it out loud.
We go watch the show.
That's right. And the specific species that Lilo and Callie are blue-throated macaws. It's actually one of the rare species of macaw found in the wild today. So definitely snap some photos as they're flying around. Now these two actually just came from about a half a mile away from behind the Tree of Life, and you probably noticed that they're getting some of their favorite snacks as they're flying around, and that's because we train the birds using positive reinforcement training. That basically means that when they do stuff that we want to see more of, we give them something they like in return, and that's going to look like peanuts, almonds, even banana chips. That's some of their favorite snacks, and that's our way of saying thank you for coming out here, because once these birds are flying around the park, they can go wherever they want, even off property if they want to. So we definitely appreciate it when they choose to come and join us down here at the roots of the Tree of Life. Now, birds like this are super common in zoological facilities just like Disney's Animal Kingdom. You probably knew about a macaw because you've seen one before, but they're also popular in people's homes. And we're here to tell you that as much as we love these macaws every single day, and this is an amazing job to have here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, none of us go home to a macaw in the household. They can be loud, messy, and destructive. Those big beaks have an incredible bite force, and that's a little sample of what it sounds like when the birds decide to show off those voices. And imagine all of those traits in the four walls of your home. That's your furniture getting destroyed. That's a bird screaming from sunrise to sunset. And we definitely recommend that instead of doing that in your house, come enjoy them at places like Disney's Animal Kingdom. Now, if you're just passing by, we are right over here in front of the roots of the Tree of Life. We are a short experience, but my favorite part hasn't even happened yet, and hopefully some of their feathered friends are going to be joining us very, very soon. So I once again invite you, fill in all this space right over here, and if you've never seen our show before, keep your phones and cameras out. Now, I mentioned before that Lilo and Callie are called blue-throated macaws. That makes them one of the rarest species found in the wild today. What does that mean? Well, I can see more of you right here in front of me on Discovery Island than the entire population of blue-throated macaws in the wild right now. There are fewer than 300 individuals in the country of Bolivia, the only place where they're naturally found. And I know that's a scary low number. That makes them an incredibly rare species. But it's not all bad news. Because people like you and me have noticed that birds just like this need our help in the wild. So we've partnered with an organization called the World Parrot Trust. And they're working on breeding blue-throated macaws in hopes that their offspring can be released into the wild someday. Because it's cool to see two macaws, but we think it's even cooler to see a side full of macaws like this. All of these birds coming together, it is truly something beautiful, and we have lots of different species out here today. You're going to see Limbus, our highest macaw, up there with Taylor. That's another rare species. And definitely keep your phones and cameras up. You never know where our birds are going to be heading off to at any moment in time, especially since they can free fly wherever they'd like in the park. But as quickly as all these birds came in, it does seem like they are ready to take off. So keep those phones and cameras up as they head off on their next adventure. And off these birds go. We want to thank you all so much for
for joining us for Winged Encounter. Remember, together we can help ensure amazing sights like these remain in wild places for many generations.